Greetings. Welcome to another institutional spotlight series of Careers 360. Today, we have with us Dr. Vandana Arora Sethi, who is the Group Director and Professor at Lloyd Business School. Dr. Vandana Arora Sethi is an alumnus of IIM Bangalore and a gold medalist from Delhi University with work experience of more than 21 years. She has industrial experience at Ranbaxy Research Laboratories, Gurgaon and Smart Analyst, Gurgaon. Dr. Vandana has a track record of achieving results consistently and has received several recognitions and Team Excellence Appreciation Awards from various organizations. She has also received numerous awards and holds multiple patents. Additionally, Dr. Vandana has a substantial record of national and international publications. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, Lloyd Business School has been operational since 2008. Please give insights into the school's journey, focusing on the achievements and challenges.
So thank you for getting me here. It's a pleasure to be on the platform of Career 360. I'm Vandana. I have been associated with Lloyd Business School since almost 2 decades now. And though we began very small in 2004 with the initial law colleges and the pharma and management colleges, and then 2008, we laid the foundation of Lloyd Business School. The vision was very clear at that time. We wanted to build a business school which is deeply connected to the real world. We started small at that time, but today we're really proud to say that we've built an institution which is not only about academics, not only about studies, but I would say more about skills, more about startups, more about corporate readiness of the students. Now, since you asked the journey, how it has been, so over the years, we have collaborated mainly with a lot of industry leaders and precisely with IBM. We have onboarded top recruiters like Sellable Technologies who built their Center of Excellence in Lloyd. And we have set up our own technology and business incubator that is called LTBI, Lloyd Technology and Business Incubator. You'll be happy to know that we've recently received a grant of 2.5 crores from the MSME, which is going to be used for nurturing student-led startups. So during the journey, there have been a lot of successes. There have been challenges also. Like curriculum alignment, we wanted to keep pace with the industry trends and also with faculty upskilling because faculty had to learn with what new technology was getting into. So we took them head on and, I really believe that strength does not come from what we can do. It comes actually from overcoming the things that once we thought that we could not. And Lloyd has been such a living example of all the challenges that we have overcome to stand strong today as one of the leading business schools.
What makes Lloyd Business School stand out from the rest of the top business schools?
So, Lloyd Business School stands out from the rest of the top business schools in not only Delhi NCR, but certain things that we have pioneered in Lloyd Business School make us outstanding in the entire India. So one is that we don't really teach the students to learn the facts, but we train their minds to think so that they find the solutions themselves. That's what the future managers are going to be doing. So at Lloyd, we help them think like professionals, right from the classroom to the boardroom. So we do a lot of activities which helps the students align into this thinking process. First is our industry integrated model. So we ensure that the students work on real problems, not just in the caselets which are given in the textbooks. How we do it is we have a simulation lab, which is just like a capstone, and the students get to simulate as various parts of a corporate and then play different roles. So they know, for example, a new product is to be launched. They know where to put money in automation or marketing or manufacturing or on more automation. So that is how the students learn experientially. Second, we follow the IM style pedagogy. We use Harvard Business Publishing case studies. We use their simulations and discussions as well. Thirdly, and very important, we do corporate mentoring program, which was in fact pioneered by Lloyd Business School a couple of years ago. And we see that every student is guided by an industry professional. So that makes their job easier because they already have a connect in the industry and they know the way they are thinking. They are taught how to think like a corporate person by frequent interactions with them. And fourth and last and very, very important is our Lloyd Technology and Business Incubator, which supports student entrepreneurs. Something very few institutes of PGDM have done in India, which offer at the scale that we are doing. I already mentioned that we've got a grant also from MSME up to 2.5 CR at this moment. And this money is available to the incubatees. So students think, they bring the ideas to us. We apply a couple of filters. We project these ideas in front of the mentors and the funding agencies and plus the MSME. So we give wings to their ideas. That's how Lloyd Business School is excelling the way it is. Yeah, so see, especially at Lloyd, we have got various specializations in PGDM. So there is HR, there is marketing, there's finance, there's entrepreneurship, and very importantly, there is business analytics. Now we take a guided discovery approach. In the first trimester, the students explore all the domains. They explore from marketing to business analytics. And then we, that is our faculty and our mentors, we support them in making the right decision. We don't ask them to make a decision now in haste. So we support them in making the right decision by aptitude mapping. So if they are more of an outgoing person, their aptitude is to talk to people, to sell things, so they get into marketing. If they're more research driven, then they get into business analytics and so on and so forth. So aptitude mapping is one way by which we help them choose their specialization. We also do mentoring sessions. And definitely there is industry speaker series. I'll tell you about mentoring sessions. So for example, a student wants to get into business analytics, but is confused whether business analytics is the right field for them. So we'll get experts from IBM, we'll get experts from Sellable, which are our partners in Center of Excellence. At the same time, we also get 5 to 6 industry speakers who are working in the area of business analytics in the domain of automobile, health and pharmaceuticals, hospitals, and so on and so forth. So the student gets to know that after studying this, what kind of a job role that they envisage, what kind of salary they would be getting. So all these people, once they have shared their domain insights, it helps the student understand what fits them best. So not they should not, and I will advise all the students, don't go by just what is trending. Go by what is your aptitude, where you can excel it. Imagine where people were launching all the IT companies by fancy IT names. What did Apple CEO do? He launched a company by the name Apple, but it sold. So Apple is not, it's a fruit. It was not an IT thing which was trending, but he got by his gut. He went by his aptitude. And so it became a hit. So our goal behind the specialization selection process is an aptitude mapping, what suits you and your personality the best. So see, Lloyd Business School offers PGDM in a very meticulous manner. Eligibility is definitely just a graduation with 50% marks from a recognized university as per the AICTE norms, because we are an AICTE approved institute. But definitely, since we are quality conscious, we prepare a merit list and we see to it that the graduates who apply have got valid scores from CAT, MAT, CMAT, XAT, ATMA, or GMAT. At the same time, we understand that one bad day, that when a student could not score well in these entrance exams, they are still eligible. So Lloyd has its own entrance exam as well. The students who are either graduates or are in the final year at this time can apply through our form which is available on the website. They bring their scores. If you don't have the scores, they are still eligible to apply for the exam that Lloyd conducts. And then definitely a good performance in the group discussion and the personal interview that the panel takes. In that personal interview and group discussion, we assess mainly communication of the student. We see the overall potential, not what the student is today, but what the student